Hi, I am Dr. Pradeep Senapati. I'm a professor in community medicine at AG Institute of Medical Sciences and Research Center, Mangalore. Today, let's look into how we can promote heart health naturally and at the same time reduce the cholesterol levels. The Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, has clearly stated that from the year 1990 to 2016, just in a span of about 25 years, there has been a 50% increase in the incidence of heart-related ailments. In the same period, about 17% of deaths is attributed to heart-related issues. Very worrisomely, the age group between 25 and 40 years, where you got to be economically productive, the people in this age group are being affected by heart-related issues. Let's understand as to what is this which causes this heart-related ailments. So basically, there are two different things, risk factors. One is the lifestyle issues. And at the same time, you have medical conditions. You have an increased blood pressure as well as an increased cholesterol, which serve as a risk factors, especially in somebody who is genetically predisposed. So let's try and look into how we can avoid this or how we could prevent this. We need to ensure that we understand the risk factors and aim to prevent the risk factors. We need to look into lifestyle issues and take note of it. At the same time, we could do some dietary modifications which will help us in reducing the cholesterol levels. So there are these dietary supplements naturally which are from the bark of the Arjuna tree. Scientifically, this is known as Terminalia Arjuna. Research which has been published in reputed journals has very clearly shown that the bark of the Arjuna tree has got lipid lowering properties. Fantastic, isn't it? So there are these components, and they are the saponin. They have cardioprotective action. At the same time, two other components, which is your flavonoids as well as your phenolic compounds, they have both your antioxidative as well as anti-inflammatory properties. Thereby, it lowers the lipid levels, and also it ensures that the blood vessels are running in prime condition. So with these three active components being your saponin, your phenolic compounds, as well as your flavonoids working in tandem, the bark of the Arjun tree has got very good demonstrated cardioprotective action as well as lipid lowering actions. You can always opt for the gamma treated bark of the Arjuna tree because this has got a longer shelf life, it has got greater efficacy, and at the same time, the microorganisms are reduced in number. So this gamma treated bark of the Arjuna tree has got very good cardioprotective and very good lipid lowering activity. And thereby what happens? Your cholesterol is controlled and also your heart health is at its optimum best. So I hope and wish that you do take this important natural supplement to take care of your heart and to keep the health of your heart at its optimum best so that you can work and be productive. Have a good time. Thank you.